Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the simple causes so you can act quickly. First, swipe Control Center and make sure orientation lock is off. The camera and photos need that to update orientation. Next, update iOS if available and restart the phone to remove software glitches. Once done, open Photos, tap Edit, then crop and rotate. Rotate the image to correct orientation and save a duplicate. This changes what users see immediately and often fixes incorrect display caused by transient metadata mismatches. If manual rotation didn't stick, you need to address the underlying metadata. Use a metadata inspector app to read the EXIF orientation tag. Values like 3, 6, or 8 tell you how the image is flagged versus how it displays. Next, convert hike to JPEG when third-party apps misinterpret hike orientation. Share the photo to files and export as JPEG. Finally, open the image in a reliable editor such as Snapseed or Lightroom. Rotate to the correct view and re-export so the orientation tag and pixels. Complete the process by saving the corrected file and letting iCloud Photo Library sync so other devices pick up the change. Make sure the rotated image displays correctly in Mail, Messages, and third-party apps. If the issue persists, reset all settings as a last resort or open an EXIF editor and change the orientation tag to 1 normal so viewers see the correct rotation. Always back up originals before bulk edits. Test a single photo first to confirm your method works across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.